In this video, we will discuss the list of top 10 best honeymoon destinations in the world. As you know, a honeymoon is a vacation taken by newlyweds immediately after their wedding to celebrate their marriage. Honeymoons are often celebrated in destinations that is considered exotic or romantic. Before we continue, please press the subscribe button and the bell notification icon to receive regular updates whenever I upload a video. Please watch till the end for some really surprising destinations and visuals. Are you excited? Let's get started. Number 1 in the destination list is Thailand. It is one of the most popular honeymoon destinations in the world. Welcome to Thailand, the ultimate honeymoon paradise where breathtaking scenery meets adventure and romance. Explore the majestic mountains and lush countryside on a romantic bike ride, creating memories that will last a lifetime. Relax on the pristine beaches with crystal clear waters and golden sands, perfect for romantic strolls and intimate moments. Discover the charm of Thai farms, where you can immerse yourself in the local culture and taste fresh, organic produce. Thailand, where romance meets adventure in the heart of paradise. Number 2 in the destination list is Switzerland. Welcome to Switzerland, a dreamy honeymoon destination where every moment is a picture-perfect postcard of romance and adventure. Embark on a magical train journey through snowfall-covered mountains, cuddled up with your loved one as you traverse through breathtaking scenery. Experience the pure joy of winter wonderland romance as you play in the snow, making memories that will warm your hearts for a lifetime. For a honeymoon filled with snow-kissed romance and unforgettable moments, Switzerland is the ultimate destination. Number 3 in the destination list is Paris. Bonjour, from the city of love, Paris, the epitome of romance, beckons you to embark on an unforgettable honeymoon journey. Ascend the iconic Eiffel Tower, hand in hand, where breathtaking views of the city below serve as a backdrop to your love story. Cruise along the enchanting Seine River as you pass under historic bridges and admire the city's landmarks, lost in each other's company. Immerse yourselves in art and culture at the Louvre and other renowned museums, where masterpieces from across the ages ignite your passion and imagination. Whether it's a kiss beneath the stars or a stroll through history, Paris promises a honeymoon filled with love, magic, and memories to last a lifetime. Number 4 in the destination list is Spain. Welcome to Spain, a vibrant and passionate destination perfect for honeymooners seeking romance and adventure. Explore the picturesque streets, adorned with colorful buildings and blooming flowers, where every corner invites you to fall in love all over again. Feel the pulse of Spain's lively culture as you immerse yourselves in street romance with live music, delicious tapas, and endless laughter. Escape to the sun-kissed beaches of Spain, where golden sands and azure waters provide the perfect backdrop for seaside romance. Savor a sunset picnic with your loved one as the colors of the sky mirror the passion and warmth of your love. Whether it's the colorful streets, the vibrant culture, or the serene beaches, Spain offers the perfect blend of romance and adventure for your dream honeymoon. Number 5 in the destination list is Bali. Welcome to Bali, the island of gods and lovers, where ancient temples and natural beauty create an enchanting backdrop for your honeymoon. Immerse yourselves in the rich culture of Bali as you wander through tranquil parks, feeling the spiritual connection that surrounds you. Escape to Bali's pristine beaches, where golden sands and turquoise waters offer the perfect setting for a romantic getaway. Whether it's exploring ancient temples, discovering hidden parks, or simply basking in the beauty of Bali's beaches, every moment spent together on this island paradise is a celebration of love. Number 6 in the destination list is India. Namaste and welcome to India, a land of timeless beauty and rich cultural heritage, perfect for couples seeking a honeymoon filled with romance and adventure. Embark on a journey through history as you marvel at magnificent monuments like the Gateway of India and many more. Discover spiritual bliss amidst ancient temples, renowned for their intricate carvings and timeless devotion. Escape to the pristine shores of Goa and Kerala, where golden sands and turquoise waters invite you to relax and unwind in each other's arms. Explore the untouched beauty of islands like the Andaman and Nicobar Islands, where secluded beaches and lush landscapes provide the perfect backdrop for intimate moments. Whether you're exploring ancient monuments, seeking spiritual enlightenment, or simply soaking in the sun on a pristine beach, India offers a honeymoon experience like no other, where every moment is filled with love, magic, and unforgettable memories. Number 7 in the destination list is Maldives. Welcome to the Maldives, a breathtaking paradise where every moment feels like a dream and romance fills the air. Experience the thrill of arriving in style as you board a seaplane, gliding over the mesmerizing blue waters and picturesque islands on your way to your secluded oasis. Indulge in luxury and privacy in a beach villa where you can unwind in your own private sanctuary just steps away from the pristine shoreline. Elevate your honeymoon experience with a stay in a water villa perched above the crystal clear waters, offering uninterrupted views of the endless horizon. Whether you're lounging on clean, sandy beaches, exploring vibrant coral reefs, or simply enjoying each other's company in your secluded villa, the Maldives promises a honeymoon like no other. Number 8 in the destination list is London. Welcome to London, a city where history meets modernity and romance flourishes in every corner. Stroll hand in hand with your loved one along the banks of the River Thames, taking in the breathtaking views of London's skyline and the majestic London Bridge. Get lost in the charm of London's eclectic streets, where every turn reveals hidden gems, lively markets, and talented street performers. Experience the magic of London's parks and squares, where you can steal a kiss beneath the trees in Hyde Park or share a laugh in the vibrant atmosphere of Covent Garden. Whether it's exploring historic landmarks, indulging in world-class cuisine, or simply enjoying each other's company in this vibrant metropolis, London offers the perfect blend of excitement and romance for your dream honeymoon. Number 9 in the destination list is Santorini, Greece. Welcome to Santorini, a paradise on earth where romance blooms amid stunning vistas and charming alleyways. Relax and unwind on the pristine beaches of Santorini with their crystal-clear waters and volcanic black sands, providing the perfect backdrop for a day of sun-soaked romance. Lose yourselves in the enchanting streets of Santorini, where every corner is a postcard-perfect moment waiting to be captured. Indulge in delectable Greek cuisine at charming tavernas overlooking the Aegean Sea, as the sea breeze and candlelit ambience set the stage for a romantic evening. Santorini offers the perfect blend of natural beauty, cultural charm, and romantic allure, making it the ultimate destination for honeymooners seeking a once-in-a-lifetime experience. Number 10 in the destination list is Portugal. Welcome to Portugal, a hidden gem nestled on the Iberian Peninsula, where romance thrives amidst the rich tapestry of culture, architecture, and natural beauty. Immerse yourselves in the enchanting streets of Portugal, where every step unveils a new story, a new adventure, waiting to be discovered. Escape to the pristine beaches of Portugal, where the rhythmic sound of waves lapping against the shore provides the soundtrack to your romantic getaway. Take a romantic stroll along the charming waterfront promenades, hand in hand with your loved one, as the sun sets over the shimmering Atlantic Ocean. Savor the flavors of Portugal's rich culinary heritage at seaside cafes and restaurants, where fresh seafood and world-renowned wines tantalize your taste buds. Discover the timeless beauty of Portugal's historic landmarks and cultural sites, where centuries of history come to life against a backdrop of breathtaking landscapes. Whether you're exploring charming streets, lounging on pristine beaches, or savoring romantic moments in cozy cafes, Portugal offers the perfect blend of beauty, culture, and romance for your dream honeymoon. we discussed the top 10 honeymoon destinations in the world. I hope you liked the video. Please feel free to let me know about your comments or suggestions in the comment section of the video. Please like and subscribe to this channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.